1, 2, 3. Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to see most recent post on Facebook app. Friends, when you open your Facebook app, by default it opens homepage and starts showing you the mixed content which include post and other informations as per Facebook AI. So if you want only to see the most recent post, then you simply need to open your Facebook app. In your Facebook app, you need to press on the three lines. Now here you need to press on feeds. Now in feed, you will find the most recent post, like this post is posted 1 minute ago. Also you can scroll down to see other posts. Like you can see this post, it is posted 2 minutes ago. So here you will see all the recent posts. Also in this feed, here are tabs which will help you to see the post of your friends only or the post of the groups or pages. If you press on friends, so you will see the post posted by your friends only, or if you press on groups, you will see all the recent posts posted in the groups. So friends, like this you can very easily see the most recent post on Facebook app. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.